Hello, do you know the answer to any of these questions? So we've got 6 plus 10, 27 plus 10, or 32 take away 10. So do you know any of these answers? If you don't, that's great, because I'm here to help you. So today we're going to be learning about how to add or take away 10 from any given number. So 6 plus 10. All you have to do is you put the 1 from here in front of that 6. So the answer is 16. So you add the 10 and the 6 and you make it 16. So let's go on to the next one. You keep the 7 the same, but because we're adding 10, all you have to do is tell me the number that comes after this. So what number comes after 2? Let's do it again. So 1, 2, 3. So you'd put a 3 and you'd keep the number that's already there. So it's 7. So that makes 37. And that's all you do. When you add 10 onto a number, you just round, or you just take the next number from the first one. Now to take away, so subtraction, you do the opposite. So you go backwards. So instead of going the next number of 3 is 4, you go backwards. So it goes to 2. So the number for 3 is 2. So you put 2 here. And then remember you keep this one, so it becomes 2 again. So the number is 22. Alright? So that's all the information you need to know. Use this for the next game, smash it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!